So verbs come in three tenses: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. The present tense talks about an action that is taking place at the present moment or an action that is continuous. The past tense talks about an action that has already taken place, and future tense talks about an action that will happen later. In this video, I will discuss the simple tense. The simple tenses include the simple present tense, the simple past tense, and the simple future tense. The simple present tense describes an action that is happening now, or actions that are done repeatedly, like every day, every week, and so on. When used with the pronouns I, we, they, the verb in a simple present tense does not change. It remains the same. But when used with the third person pronouns she, it, he, the verb changes to a plural form, like do becomes does, read becomes reads. Here's an example. She goes to school every day. She is a third person pronoun. She goes, so the verb changes to the plural form, goes. She goes to school every day. I go to school every day. When you use I, the verb does not change form. It remains the same. So I go to school every day. She goes to school every day. Both are in the present tense. Now, the simple past tense is used to describe an action that already happened. The verb in a simple past tense changes by adding an ed or d to the verb to show that it's in the past tense. Some verbs change completely, like keep changes to kept. These are called irregular verbs. But the regular verbs like jump, you add an ed to show that it's in the past tense. Jump becomes jumped. Here's an example. The cat jumped over the fence. Jumped is in the past tense, so we know this happened in the past. If we were to write this in the present form, it will become the cat jumps over the fence. So the simple present tense will be jumps. The cat jumps over the fence. The past tense, the cat jumped over the fence. Here's another example of a simple past tense. Kept, keep, kept. She kept her books in her locker before going out to play. Kept is a past tense, so we know that happened in the past. The simple future tense describes actions that will happen later, maybe an hour later or tomorrow, next week, years from now. They usually start with I will, she will, it will, they will, and so on. Let's take a look at some more examples. So the verb eat in the present tense remains the same. The past tense changes form to ate because it's an irregular verb. And in the future, you add will to eat, and it will become will eat. I eat lunch at 12 noon. That's the present tense. In the past tense, we read I ate my lunch an hour ago. Future, I will eat my lunch soon. Another example, he eats lunch at 12 noon. He ate his lunch an hour ago. He will eat his lunch soon. So for the present tense, eat becomes eats. And for the past tense, eat became ate, to show that it was done in the past. So present tense, I always hide here. Past tense, I hid here yesterday. Future, I will hide there when we play hide and seek. Now, when talking about somebody else, you say she always hides here. Hides becomes plural. She hid here yesterday. Since we're talking about the past form of hide is hid. Then the future will. She will hide there when we play hide and seek. Is this sentence in the simple present, simple past, or simple future tense? I dance every day. It's in the simple present tense. The verb dance doesn't change form. So which is correct? She eat lunch at 12 noon, or she eats lunch at 12 noon. Eat lunch at 12 noon is a simple present tense. Third person pronoun she is used, so the verb changes form to a plural form. I went to school yesterday, or I go to school yesterday. Which one shows the simple past tense? I went to school yesterday. Went is the past tense of go. So she went to school yesterday, or she go to school yesterday. Which is the right way to say it? She went to school yesterday. Again, go, went is the past tense of go. I will go to school tomorrow, or I will went to school tomorrow. I will go to school tomorrow shows the future tense.
Please subscribe to the channel and come back for more lessons. Thank you.